hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes. So when you're keeping your palms on your eyes, open the eyes inside. So even the physical eyes find there is a darkness in the space. There you ask the mind what happened, what is your experience? And then we can share our experiences. Bring your hands down. How are you, Stephen?
Good. Very settled. Very quiet. The meditation was just a dark space with no thoughts, no concerns, nothing. It was great.
It was great. Definitely. That's really good. How are you, Jerry?
Nicer, good, thank you. Yeah, very, I guess what I noticed the most lately is that my mind is active, yet my awareness of the activity is lessened.
Yeah.
So it's like today I didn't notice much activity in the mind, but I'm sure the mind was active, even though I'm not aware of it.
The mind is active to recognize there is a sensation, relaxation, and stillness. Mind is active because it is aware of the breath that is going in and out. Mind is active because thoughts are there, but still deeper inside there is a calmness. It is separate, different. So that state is good. How are you, Samir? Then we'll go to Randy. Yes.
Sir, I was totally still during the practice and totally unmoved, and each and every word of yours was very clear to me, and I was deep into it.
Very good. Yes, that's another. I'm not bragging myself, but each and every word of a teacher, if it goes inside, definitely it helps. So sometimes we feel, so it has nothing to do. Are you, Brandy?
Good morning. I'm good. I'm glad I got to join today. I didn't think I was going to. I had a weird experience last week and this week where right when I went into meditation, somebody literally knocked on my door. And so last week I answered it. Today I didn't answer it. But it's like what you say about the thoughts, like knocking at the door and you're like, no, thank you. So I had several minutes of having to no thank you about not going to the door. But that was really cool to juxtapose with being able to see the space. Like, okay, knocking at the door, space. Knocking at the door, space.
That's wonderful. Do you see? Everybody is listening. Understand. Unwelcome thoughts, unwelcome incident, unwelcome situation. No. Yes, no. So even you are able to separate yourself. That very separation makes our mind realize the higher consciousness. Just make you make the things clear, your experience, and that's a beautiful. How are you, Barbara?
I'm very good, thank you. It was very peaceful, very calm. I didn't have any thoughts at all.
Good.
Very relaxing. Thank you.
Very relaxing. Very good. Wonderful. How are you, Terry?
I had a good experience with the fast breathing.
Okay.
But I had too much distraction from the not being able to hold still.
Okay.
More later after that. But the thing I think is I'm the most aware of right now is the idea of the mantra replacing the bad impressions or the impressions of things that are going on.
Bad impression, say Om Shanti. Good impression, say Om Shanti. Huh?
And then I struggle about whether to, when you said, oh, somebody made their Om Shanti faster because their breathing was faster, I'm sort of working on separating, because there's a tendency to need to rhythmically make
Jerry,
your
come
Om
on,
Shanti
come on.
fit with your breathing. Otherwise, I can't multitask.
You see that? You just, Terry, you come to my house and you knock the door and say, who are you? I say, Om Shanti. What you do, Om Shanti. Where are you going, Om Shanti? Can I come inside, Om Shanti? Is it a struggle?
I have a tendency to need them to do two things at once.
Remove this I. Tendency will also go away. Remove this I. I have a tendency. You don't have a tendency. You think you have a tendency. That's why you have it. You see that? You have to. I know you ask very good questions, but that is what happens. So we have done Barbara. We have done Sangeeta. How are you?
Peaceful, absorbed.
Yeah, totally absorbed into that. Very good, Sangeeta. So she comes in once in a blue moon. Yeah. It's a proverb. There is no blue moon. Anyhow, Anesthesia, how are you?
Thank you. I'm very good, totally absorbed. And this time, usually I feel my meditation as very quick. And this time I felt like we are doing it a day, all day. But I knew that it couldn't be such a long because of timing. But it felt like 3-4 hours.
You see, it is kind of a spark. That extends the time. It becomes the timeless. Oh, we'll understand. We are making a journey. So how are you, Vaibhav?
So I'm good. It was deep, calm, relaxing.
Deep and relaxing. Good. How are you, Ashok?
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. That's a good thing, How are you? He says Om Shanti. So you have to say to everyone, including your honey,
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. When she is angry over you, Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Have you become mad? Om Shanti. But that helps you to separate. You can take it as a joke, but if you go deeper, it separates you. What is this? Do you remember? It is the highest state of dispassion. And in that state of a dispassion, the mind is ready to awaken. Any question? No question. Thank you very much. We will meet again, but continue doing the practice. Thank you very much.